Friends, before we begin, I request you from the heart, if you love old coins, rare stories, and hidden treasures, then please subscribe to Coins ZF right now, like this video, and share it with someone who keeps old coins safely at home. Because today's coin is not ordinary at all, it is one of those coins that people ignored for years, spent without thinking, and now the same coin is changing lives. Today we're talking about the 1982 Lincoln Penny, a small copper coin that once bought nothing more than candy. But today, under special conditions, experts believe it can reach a value of up to $4 million. Yes, you heard it right. $4 million for a single 1-cent coin. And the most shocking part is that millions of people around the world may still have this coin in their homes without realizing its true importance. The story of the 1982 Lincoln Penny is one of the most fascinating chapters in modern American coin history. This year was not just another year for the U.S. Mint. It was a turning point. Rising copper prices forced the U.S. Mint to change how pennies were made. For decades, pennies were mostly copper, heavy, solid, and valuable in metal content. But in 1982, everything changed. During this year, the Mint produced pennies in both copper and zinc compositions. Some are made of 95% copper, and some are made of zinc with a thin copper coating. This alone created confusion. But what truly made 1982 legendary was the number of variations produced. Large date, small date, copper, zinc, different minting processes, and rare transitional errors. Most people don't realize that 1982 is the only year in U.S. history where so many penny varieties exist. This is why collectors study this year so closely. This is also why prices for certain examples have exploded beyond imagination. Now let's slow down and understand something very important. Not every 1982 penny is worth millions, but some specific versions, especially those with rare characteristics, minting errors, and correct metal composition, are among the most valuable pennies ever discussed in the coin world. One of the most talked about varieties is the 1982 copper penny that should not exist in certain forms. As the Mint transitioned from copper to zinc, mistakes happened. Some pennies were struck on the wrong metal planchets. These transitional errors are the heart of extreme value. Imagine a zinc penny design struck on a solid copper blank, or a copper penny struck using dies intended for zinc production. These mistakes were never meant to leave the Mint, but a few escaped into circulation. And today, they're like winning lottery tickets. Collectors and grading experts use weight as one of the first tests. A copper 1982 penny weighs about 3.11 grams. While a zinc one weighs around 2.5 grams. That small difference changes everything. If you have a 1982 penny that weighs like copper but shows features that should belong to a zinc issue, you may be holding something extraordinary. Another major factor is the date style. In 1982, pennies were struck with both large date and small date designs. The small date version is rarer, and when combined with copper composition, rarity multiplies. A 1982 small date copper penny is already extremely scarce. Add a minting error or perfect condition and the value can skyrocket. Now let's talk about condition, because condition is king in the coin world. A worn coin that has traveled through thousands of hands is interesting, but a pristine, untouched example is where million-dollar conversations begin. Coins graded at the highest levels, with full original luster, no scratches, no corrosion, and sharp details, are in a completely different category. Professional grading services look at every microscopic detail. They examine the rim, the lettering, Lincoln's portrait, and the memorial on the reverse. Even the smallest flaw can reduce value, while perfection can multiply it. There are rumors and private sales discussed in collector circles where ultra-rare 1982 pennies with correct copper composition, rare date style, and near-perfect condition are valued at figures approaching $4 million. These valuations are driven not just by metal or age, but by rarity, demand, and historical importance. Think about it. The Lincoln Penny is one of the most collected coins in the world. Millions of people collect it. Now imagine a coin from a year that represents a major change in U.S. coinage history, with errors that should not exist and only a handful known. That is the perfect storm for extreme value. What makes this even more exciting is that these coins were released into circulation. They were not special collector issues. They were everyday pennies. That means there is still a chance, however small, that one is sitting in an old jar, a forgotten drawer, or a dusty box in your home. Many people send messages saying, "I have a 1982 penny, am I rich?" The answer is simple but important. You must check carefully. First, check the weight. Second, examine the date style. Third, look for unusual features, sharpness, and errors. And most importantly, never clean the coin. Cleaning destroys value instantly, but a dirty rare coin is far more valuable than a shiny, cleaned one. Cleaning removes original surfaces that collectors pay millions for. If you believe you have something special, keep it safe, store it properly, and consult a professional. Another thing many people don't realize is that value stories often start small. A coin discovered today might not sell tomorrow for millions, but as fewer examples are known and demand grows, prices rise. Some of the world's most valuable coins were once bought for a few dollars before their true importance was recognized. The 1982 Lincoln Penny represents hope. Hope that something ordinary can become extraordinary. Hope that history still hides in plain sight. And hope that knowledge can change lives. This is why education is so important in coin collecting. When you understand what to look for, you stop seeing pennies as loose change and start seeing them as historical artifacts. For older collectors, especially those who lived through the 1980s, this coin carries emotional value. It represents a time of economic change, rising metal prices, and a shift in how money itself was made. Holding this coin is like holding a piece of that transition. For younger viewers, this story is a lesson. Never underestimate small things. Never assume value by size. And never throw away history without understanding it. As we move toward the end of this video, remember this clearly. The $4 million value is not fantasy. It is based on rarity, errors, condition, and collector demand. Only a tiny number of 1982 Lincoln pennies qualify for such extreme value. But the possibility exists, and that possibility is what keeps collectors searching every day. So tonight, after this video ends, I want you to do one thing. Take out your old coins. Look at them slowly. Respect them. Study them. Because your next great discovery may already be with you. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1982 Lincoln Penny and want more powerful stories like this, stay connected with CoinsZF. This channel is dedicated to uncovering hidden value, forgotten treasures, and the real stories behind coins that changed lives. And now, as promised, the legendary figure everyone waits for. Under the rarest conditions, with the correct copper composition, small date variety, exceptional minting error, and top professional grading, the 1982 Lincoln Penny has been discussed among elite collectors with a value reaching up to $4 million. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting CoinsZF, and remember, your next coin could be your greatest discovery.